Hello and welcome to the SEO for Beginners course. This is the intro and overview. And this lovely lady right here is Suzanne. She is the Chief Image Optimist. And this course is going to be about search engine optimization. We are going to be covering your Google business profile, how to create, update, and also start getting some 5-star reviews. We are going to look at keywords, meta descriptions. We are going to cover blogs and backlinks, how to optimize your images for search, as well as do a competitor analysis. And finally, we're going to wrap up with your user experience, which is essentially how people feel and their experience when they are on your website. This is really designed to be for total beginners who don't have much time. It's meant to be highly interactive. And while they are in order of priority, you don't have to do them in order. If you've already got a stellar Google business profile, you don't need to watch the module and do it again. Although I do recommend checking it out just in case anything's changed since you last did it. And that is it. I welcome your feedback. I welcome questions. I am always available, and I wish you the best with the course, and I will see you on the inside.